Hey everybody, today I wanted to show you a quick tip, some slightly hidden features in plasticity that can be quite useful. So this should be a fun little short video. So let's focus on how to position objects very precisely. Let's say we want to move this object from one corner to another place on another object. Well, if we use the move command, the gizmo appears, but there's also the F and V freestyle and pivot subcommand. So let's start with F freestyle. Freestyle allows us to do a point-to-point move. We can select the start position and the destination position, and any other snap point is available. So we can move a corner to the origin or something like that. Now I'm just going to undo and we're going to do this again. So the next move option is the pivot-based move option. The pivot-based move option allows us to move the gizmo to a snap point. What's useful about that is it allows us to use the normals and tangents of faces and edges. And so we can move an object along its normal, and again, key bindings work just as in other situations. A common question is how to center an object at the origin. Well, when you do the freestyle move command, instead of selecting a point, if you right-click, it'll set the original point as the object centroid. You can move that to the origin, or alternatively, you can right-click again, and it'll snap the centroid to the origin. So G, F, right-click can easily center an object. Now, that's undone for a second. The final thing I want to show today is the place command. The icon is down here, and the key binding is Control-D, as in duplicate. And the place command allows you to select a pivot and move an object onto another one. You can flip it if it's on the wrong side of the surface, for example here with the F. And then you can position an object. You can then rotate the object's orientation. You can offset the object up and down off of the surface you put it on, and then you can scale it too. The place command is a little bit different than the move command. It's part of what will be the future kit bashing workflow in plasticity. It's a quick way to move an object onto a surface, and it's pretty powerful. So I hope you have fun using these new features.